Welcome to Brainobi Kids. Today I got some interesting worksheets for you. I will show you some pictures that starts from O. You have to tell me what it is and I will tell you something interesting about it. Let's do it. First object from O is, tell me kids, what's on your screen? Octopus. Octopus. Do you know kids, octopuses are very clever. They can solve puzzles and even open jars. Next picture is of, tell me kids, owl. Owl. You know kids, owls are awake at night and sleep in the day. Last picture is of, any guesses? Yes, ostrich. Ostrich. You know kids, an ostrich is so strong it can scare away lions. Wow, this was fun. Let's jump to the worksheet 2. Some pictures will flash on your screen with check boxes. You have to listen to the sound of the letter it starts with and put a tick mark in front of those that starts with O. If picture does not start with O, put a cross in the checkbox. Clear? Let's get started. First picture is of an ostrich. Ostrich. I can hear O, hence let's put a tick in checkbox. Next is orange. Orange. Can you hear O? Yes, we can. Hence put a tick in the checkbox. Next is bottle. Bottle. I can hear B, not O. Hence put a cross in the checkbox. Last is octagon. It's a shape. Octagon. I can hear O. Hence put a tick in the checkbox. Wow guys, this was fun. I will bring you more fun worksheets in the next video. Hence do not forget to subscribe my channel Brainobi.